video, you will learn about the Consumer Act of the Philippines. I am Honey May.
I am Rina Marie.
I am Claudine. And I am Divine Grace.
And we are the lecturers for today's video. Let's get started!
Do you have any concept about the Consumer Act of the Philippines?
Well, before we start, let's find out what Consumer Act means. Consumer protection safeguards the well-being and interest of consumers through education, mobilization, and representation. Consumers protection ensures that consumers make well-informed decisions about their choices and have access to effective redress mechanisms.
What is the purpose of the Consumers Act? The Consumer Protection Act is an act for the purposes of protecting the interest, facilitating the safety, and improving the quality of life of the consumer.
Republic Act Number 7394, establishing the Consumer Act of the Philippines. This act, consisting of 173 articles divided into 6 titles, establishes the Consumer Act of the Philippines. Policy of the state aims at protecting the interests of the consumer, promote its general welfare, and to establish standards of conduct for business and industry.
What is the Article 8 of the Consumer Act of the Philippines, RA 7394? Article 8 states that publication of consumer product standards, the concerned department shall, upon promulgation of the above standards, publish or cause the publication of the same into newspaper of general circulation at least once a week for a period of not less than 1 month.
What steps can a consumer take if he or she has a complaint? Number 1, identify the problem. What do you think is the way to solve the problem? Would any of the following options do? Refund, repair, or replace?
Number 2, show proof of purchase. Show proof of purchase such as sales receipt, warranties that will support your complaint.
Number 3. Report the complaint. Report the complaint to the proper authority, explain the problem, and tell clearly what action you would like to take them, refund, repair, or replacement of the item.
Number 4. Write a letter of complaints. If you are not pleased with the response, write letter of complaints to the Consumer Protection Agency concerned. Give the details, state your name, address, the name and address of the establishment against whom you are complaining, the circumstances regarding the complaints, including names, dates, places, etc. Enclose supporting documents.
I hope that you have learned something from our video lecturing. Thank you for watching. Bye! Ari na, consumer. Take it. Ano sabi? Pagdalit.
Sige na ko din.
May anak ko niya, tumahan ko din. Kaya dito na yung bali ng mga.
Dali na,
katawa sa ay, saan yung katawa pa? Oo nga, ay, bebe, magtarong na dyan ko, be. Ay, hindi na magtarong. Magtarong na ko ba? Sige, ari na. Sige. What steps can a consumer take if he or she has a complaint? Number 1, identify. Hindi mo. Options do.
Amo, man kami.
Dito na ako sa identify.
Alam, isa dili ko klaro.